Hello, my name is James White and I'm from Portlaoise, County Laois, and I'm a PhD researcher at University College Dublin. My research is in the field of diabetes and I'm interested in how fat tissue becomes sick during diabetes. To investigate this, I work in a laboratory and I work with cells, I grow cells, and then I can use equipment such as microscopes and other equipment that can measure molecules in the cells such as DNA and proteins. Altogether, I use all of this to perform experiments, and I use my experiments to understand more about fat tissue and diabetes. After I left school, I moved from Laois to Galway, where I studied science. And whilst I was studying science, I became interested in human anatomy. So anatomy is the study of how the body is organised, and I'm now working as an anatomy teacher also at UCD. For the study of anatomy, we use bodies. So bodies are kindly donated to the university by people who choose to do so, and they leave us with a very generous gift. When I'm teaching anatomy, I'm working with students who are going to become surgeons, doctors, radiographers, and physiotherapists in the future. And for them to have a body to learn from is a really valuable educational resource, and I'm very grateful for it. You also learn that no two bodies are the same. Everyone has a history and an anatomy that's unique to them. STEM has been very important in my life. I've learned to be able to gather information, to plan my experiments, to think analytically. I've also learned to be able to write about my research and to be able to speak publicly. And these skills are not just for STEM or for research, but these are also skills for life. I've met some wonderful lecturers and I've met some wonderful people who are really dedicated to scientific research, and I've learned a lot from them. I've worked with men and women from all over Ireland, Europe and the world, and it's a privilege to be able to work alongside them and to constantly be learning. It's a privilege to be able to be part of this pursuit of truth and discovery, to learn more about the human body and about disease, and to be able to treat it better. I would say to anyone who has an interest in STEM to go for it.